Welcome to this guided meditation for balancing and aligning your 7 chakras. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently. Begin to breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale. Let each breath soften your body and quiet your mind. As we move through each chakra, allow yourself to relax and receive. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine a deep red light glowing here, steady, grounding. Imagine this light forming a protective sphere around your entire lower body. Feel this sphere vibrate in time with the Earth's natural rhythms. Affirm silently or aloud, I am safe. I am grounded. I belong. Breathe into this feeling of stability and strength. Now shift your attention just below your navel. Visualize a warm orange light swirling in your lower abdomen. This is the center of your creativity, pleasure, and emotions. Affirm, I am connected to my body. I honor my desires. I allow joy. Feel this area awaken and flow like water. Focus now on the area just above your navel, your solar plexus. See a glowing yellow light, like the sun radiating confidence. This is your seat of personal power and will. Affirm, I am strong. I am confident. I stand in my power. Let this light expand with each breath, dissolving fear and self-doubt. Move your awareness to the center of your chest. Visualize a vibrant green light, soft and healing. Feel it open like a blossoming flower. This is your center of love, compassion, and connection. Affirm, I am love. I forgive myself and others. I am open to giving and receiving. Breathe into this warmth and let it fill your being. Now bring your focus to your throat. Imagine a bright blue light spinning gently. This is your center of truth and expression. Affirm, I speak with clarity. My voice matters. I express myself freely. Feel your voice, your truth, becoming clear and strong. Turn your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Visualize an indigo light shining brightly. This is your center of intuition and inner wisdom. Affirm, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am connected to inner guidance. Allow this light to sharpen your inner vision and insight. Now focus on the top of your head. Visualize a radiant violet or white light extending upward. This is your connection to the divine, to universal consciousness. Affirm, I am connected. I am light. I am one with all. Feel yourself expanding beyond the body. Peaceful, infinite. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel your body, your energy centers aligned, vibrant, and at peace. Give gratitude to yourself for this practice. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to your day with clarity and balance. Namaste. If this meditation resonated with you, like, share, or subscribe to stay connected on the path to inner peace.